Hi everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna demonstrate the dashboard feature of Vita.io. It is a way to create complex dashboard from primitive D3.js components. Okay, so in this video tutorial, we're gonna use the University of California campus's expense dataset. I've already uploaded the dataset to Vita.io, and dataset basically contains entries showing expense functions, the UC campus, the amount of expense, and the year. So the data shows the entries across all expense functions, campus, over year. And so for this dashboard, I'm gonna build a dashboard that contains 3 bar filters and a data table. The bar filters will filters on expense function, campus, and year. So we can see the expense amount across different columns. Okay, so we're gonna head over to the dashboard tab. We call it composite documents because it is a dashboard built out of smaller D3.js components. So I'm going to click on the create new composite document, and I'm just going to call it UC expense function dash. Okay, and then I'm going to add 3 bar charts in here. Finally, I'm going to add a table. And they are part of the Vita document, so these are the default documents that Vita.io provides. Okay, now I'm gonna set the data set for all of the charts. So there's a convenient toggle, so you can set the data set for all the charts to be University of California campuses. So once I set the data set, I can go in and edit the properties of individual charts. So in this case, I'm going to name this chart expense function instead of the generic title. Next one, I'm going to do campus as the chart title, and I'm going to select the category as campus. You can see the chart is refreshed to reflect new data. Finally, I'm going to do the year chart and select the category. Okay, now I have 3 bar charts set up. Next one, I'm going to edit the data fields for the data table. We don't need the time format or the date dimension because this data set does not have that time dimension. And I'm going to select the search filter, which is the search box right here. It's going to perform search based on this field. And for the 5 columns, I'm going to select the data in our data set. And this data set only has 4 columns, so I'm going to just nullify the 5th column. That's it. Now I have a dashboard for various data sets, various columns of the data set. I can filter the data, so let's say I select University UCLA. I can see the expense of the UCLA, or if I want to look at UC Berkeley, I can do so, and the data is automatically updated. And you can use these filters together, right? Yeah, so that's it. That's how you create dashboard on Vita.io out of smaller D3.js components. So let me know if you have any questions. Send us an email. Thanks for watching. Bye.